The SICK Augmented Reality Assistant, or SARA for short, enables augmented reality-supported troubleshooting by merging visualized sensor data with the real-world environment. In the following video tutorials, you will learn how to set up SARA and how to customize this intuitive app for mobile end devices, including smartphones and tablets. I'm using the SARA demo case, which includes 2 LiDAR sensors, the NanoScan and the TIM. Download the SARA app to your mobile device. Connect the SARA system's Wi-Fi. Start the SARA app. Choose your preferred language. Scan the SARA service's access QR code provided with the demo case. Log into the system using your user credentials. Scan the marker provided with the demo case. Select Scanner View to display the scanner's field of view. Select Field View to display the scanner's configured warnings and alarm fields. Select Navigation View to display field infringements and receive navigation to the correct location if the infringements are not in the smartphone camera's current field of view. In the following short tutorials, you will learn how to set up and use the SICK Augmented Reality Assistant, creating cells, defining data positions, setting up and managing additional SARA settings, connecting non-SICK data sources, managing users.